EMI stands for Engineering Ministries International, and our tagline, if you want to call it, is Designing a World of Hope. 70% of all the world doesn't have clean drinking water. Most children die from getting bad water in their system. So we work with ministries around the world. We call them developing countries, where we go and we actually help by providing design services.
So I was in Togo using the TruPulse, and over the course of 5 days we worked on a 32-acre hospital site, which is used by people throughout Togo and other countries surrounding Togo. It's a 50-bed hospital, and over the course of those 5 days, we were able to shoot over 1,000 shots using the TruPulse system.
So once I receive instructions or where I'm going to be going on my next trip, I would then begin recruiting team members. So I may need a master planner, I may need an architect, I may need a civil engineer that understands water, wastewater. I would need a structural engineer, a surveyor, all those different disciplines.
I became involved with EMI initially about 3 years ago when I was looking for an organization to be able to utilize my skills as an engineer, and specifically I wanted to find a tangible way to serve.
Years ago when I began surveying, they talked about this magical black box, this thing that surveyors are going to be using in the future. I mean, that was when equipment was big and bulky and heavy, and you had people literally just holding the equipment and carrying it for you. But when this came out, I mean, it was like, okay, this TruPulse, it's like, okay, what does it do? And it does the measurements, the angles, the elevations, all the different things that we needed. And I thought, like, well, this is exactly what we need for the type of projects we do. There's been a couple of countries, like I said, that we literally could not have taken conventional surveying equipment in.
Being able to bring the TruPulse in and out of Togo was very simple, which was fantastic because it's small, it's light, it was really easy to pick up and move. We were able to do well over 25 or 30 control points with it. So that worked out really, really well, and it enabled us to get over 1,000 shots in that short period of time.
At the Laser Tech, I said, I know we're pushing the envelope with the use of these, but it's served the purpose that we needed. Without them, we wouldn't have been able to do what we do.
And I feel like our team really, really worked well together, and the plans are now in process right now for this expansion to happen, and it's going to happen. And this will have a tremendous impact on the community and all throughout Togo.
As a ministry, we find ourselves in a situation where we're able to help people actually continue to live in a way. So I've always said in some ways that EMI is here to help people live one more day as a result of clean water, as a result of hospitals, of just basic needs that people have.